For a better tomorrow, plant more trees and make this planet a better place to live in. Jai Mata School, wishing you all a happy Environment Day.
World Environment Day. We humans have a very strong connection with the environment. Environment means such conditions where we can live and work. But today, we humans have created such situations due to which our environment is in danger, like increasing pollution and global warming, deforestation, overpopulation, water scarcity, and loss of biodiversity. According to an estimate, every year 10 billion trees are being cut all over the world, and at least 10,000 species are getting extinct every year. If we talk about the current situation, 1 million species are on the verge of extinction. Also, we are left with a crisis where over 844 million people are living without a pure drinking water. So, every year World Environment Day is celebrated on 5 June to create awareness and action for the protection of the environment. Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated according to a theme. So, this year the theme of World Environment Day is Ecosystem Restoration. Friends, ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovering of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Ecosystem restoration can take many forms like growing trees, greening cities, rebuilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. Friends, nature is created by God, and to take care of it, God created humans, that is us. So, it's necessary to protect the environment in order to continue life on earth. So, now the time has come that we should take steps to protect our environment, like growing more and more trees around us. Try to recycle our household items. Inform the new generation about the importance of nature, environment, plants, and animals. Focus on reducing pollution and global warming. And at last, limited use of water. Celebrating the World Environment Day will be possible only when we take care of the environment. Everyone need to understand that our life is possible only when the environment is clean and protected. Someone beautifully said that be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution.